A refillable 130-ounce popcorn bucket. A new, wonderful product we've rolled out. Provided to us by the Coca-Cola Company. Next time you stop by our cinemas to check out that motion picture you've been waiting for, purchase the refillable bucket for $8 at our concession stand. Then, each and every time you come back for a visit, receive $2 refills for 1 entire year. Yes, you heard us correctly. Purchase the bucket now and receive $2 refills for an entire year. Ah, hot and fresh popcorn, the staple of American moviegoing for decades. The usage of the bucket is simple. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Might as well wash that popcorn down with a refreshing beverage while you're at it. Muller Family Theatres, Minnesota owned and operated since 1978.